Ooh, yeah. Now that looks delicious. Considering nope, not gonna flip it. But you know what? Meet me at DQ. First, hit that big subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell. And hit that thumbs up if you want to see the blizzard I got here from my DQ Grill and Chill. Hey everybody, it's your boy Robbie P2 here. As always, Robbie P2 family, please, why don't you check in down below? And I'll tell you what here, welcome to something we haven't done in a while. I guess we'll call it hashtag Snack Wednesday, more of a dessert. And you know what, I'm outside my local Dairy Queen or DQ Grill and Chill, as you can see. But you know what, first off, yeah, we haven't been outside for a while. But, you know what? We also haven't been to DQ in a while. And I tell you what here. Now, usually we go to DQ, you know, for not only desserts, but for the, you know, for the burgers and all that. And hey, I think we got one coming up on this later on hashtag Fast Food Friday. But this hashtag Snack Wednesday. And I'll tell you what, no matter what, no trip to DQ is really complete without, you know, something with their famous soft serve. And of course, let's see, why get a cone when I could get a blizzard? And this is one of the new flavors. It is the Picnic Peach Cobbler Blizzard, which is basically cobbler pieces and peaches blended in delicious DQ soft serve. And I figured with the picnic name, that's why we're outside today. Pardon the wind. But let's dig in. Let's taste this. Oh yes, and creamy, peachy goodness. And all that. And I got the size I normally don't get. Because I figured, you know, I'm at some points with like DQ rewards on the app. Had some points to spend. So I decided, you know, like 500 points is like enough for free blizzard of any size. So yeah, we decided to go large this time. Normally I'd go small. But I figured, you know, we're sharing this with you guys. And up close. So, and with it being outside, it's starting to melt, will look a little runny. That's why I decided not to flip it, like usual DQ fashion. But it's cold, it's creamy, who cares? I mean, with added peach cobbler pieces, who cares? And it's definitely one of the most decadent. So I give this a 10 out of 10. So, all together, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like DQ soft serve? And do you like the blizzards, anything like that? What's your favorite DQ blizzard, by the way? Comment that, along with hashtag RobbieP2Family. And all that. And of course, hey, this is something that should be available at every Dairy Queen nationwide or worldwide here. And all that, including just the Soul Dairy Queen, the ones that do serve the ice cream treats, and that's about it. All right. And also, guys, hey, if you're brand new to my channel, please hit the big subscribe button down below. And ring that notification bell, choose all notifications, so you don't miss out on anything. And then and after you do all that, please join all the other supporters of the hashtag RobbieP2Family. Show the hashtag again. By, leaving a like, just so we can, slay them YouTube algorithms. Can't let them have their way. And and speaking of, hey, if there's something you'd like to see me feature on my channel, and like a future vlog here, please open up the description so you can reach out to me directly. I have email, Instagram, or X, formerly Twitter. All the info is there. And there's also, and hey, speaking of future vlogs, stay tuned for hashtag Fast Food Friday, which is also this week when I'm inside this DQ Grill and Chill. All right. And also, while you're looking at that description, let's feel free to hit up the RobbieP2 fan shop. There's a link there. There's also a link to reach out to me on Cameo for a personalized shout out. And both of those are ways to help financially help the channel and spread the RobbieP2 family spirit. Or you can also hit that super thanks down below if you guys want to, financially help out. Every little bit's great and all that. Keeps the content going. That's all it does. And don't forget also, we want to get to 50,000 subscribers soon. Please feel free to share this out. Share button down below. Share this on all your social media as well. All right. I think that's about it. So, as always, well, of course, happy tastes good. DQ fashion. So, as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay positive. Your boy, RobbieP2, out.